now come. Please let me now call upon Shri L. Niranjan Singh, CEO of JCRE Skill Solution, to declare the brand ambassador of JCRE.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to make an important announcement. Forward, this program is not going to be long. I take this opportunity to declare something right now. Ever since JCRE Skill Solutions has become the first certified partner of NSDC in Manipur, we have been trying to find the right brand ambassador to represent our organization. We were looking for a personality which matches the aspirations and values of JCRE Skill Solutions. Our long search for a value-based personality ended in Manka Mayang Lambam. I am happy to announce that Manka Mayang Lambam is the official brand ambassador of JCRE Skill Solutions. May I just Manka she is a today she has papers, so she cannot be present. So I will be inviting her a little later. But before that, she has also joined us through a video to thank us on this appointment.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the best wishes on Third Foundation of Solution, and I'm really glad to be an associate of this esteemed organization and represent myself as a brand ambassador of JCRE Skill Solution. Manipurgi youth naharosingbu thagatpiba amadi support tawbibagidamata JCRE ku hana thagatchari. And I'm also giving my heartiest congratulations to JCRE on becoming the first certified partner of National Skill Development Corporation. It would be my pleasure to participate in every initiative taken up by JCRE Skill Solution towards skill development of the youth of Manipur.
Since Manka could not be present here, may I call upon Manka's mother, Srimati Mayang Langbam Ongbi Mema, to receive the memento on behalf of Manka Mayang Langbam, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I would be requesting the CEO of JCRE Skill Solutions, Shri L. Niranjan Singh, to give a presentation on skill training, employability, and entrepreneurship, and JCRE's activities around it. Shri L. Niranjan Singh, ladies and gentlemen.
A very good morning to everyone. Shri T.H. Dr. Dhavli, a guest of honor of this function, Managing Director of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, senior government officials, people from academia, from press, Labor Department, my fellow VTPs, trainees, and the media. I welcome you once again for taking time out from your busy schedule to share this happiness on our Foundation Day. Well, this presentation is a concoction of what JCRE does actually, and our inspiration behind this story, what made us do this. Well, our objective is to empower our youth. As per 2011 census, as Dr. Dhavli had already stated earlier, our youth population figures at around 10 lakhs. So when I say youth, it ranges from 16 years to 35 years, which is very much a working age group. Now, if you go to employment exchange of the Labor Department and elicit this information that what is the unemployment rate, you will find that 7 lakhs youth of Manipur are unemployed, which is like 70% unemployment rate. To my sensible and practical analysis of this figure, I feel that this figure is a little skewed. The reason being, in Manipur, we have this fixed mindset that even privately employed people also consider themselves unemployed. Government ki thabak phangdri bauti aide unemployed ki type to dum khan bado haitar. Aduna 7 lakhs constitute quite a major proportion of those people who are working privately and consider themselves unemployed for the sole reason that they have not got a government job. The current union government has laid a lot of emphasis on Act is policy. Earlier it was Look is, now it is Act is policy. Now, what we need to do here as opinion leaders is to have inclusive growth and take the people along with us when we are going for this level of growth. We should not be just the mere spectators, but we should make sure that our people, the masses, become the part of this development which comes along with the Act-is policy. If you look at the pyramid of the youth population, I can see that the top, the narrow and the smaller part are the youth who are from slightly economically better off families. They can afford good education, they can go out of the state, and they can go on to become doctors, engineers, IS, IPS, etc. Now, what JCRE does is, we do not focus on the top of the pyramid. We focus on the middle and the bottom part of the pyramid, which represents the major masses of our youth. And that has been completely ignored in our growth process. So that's why we find that there is a lot of social unrest in the society. So we want to address that indirectly. It is not only about the government, but also about what the government does for the governed people like us. This is a very simple graph. Current job preferences in Manipur. Many people prefer government job, but then it's not possible to provide government job to 10 lakh youths of Manipur. So they go out of the state and get employed in Gurgaon, Bangalore, in retail, hospitality, and so many other service industries. And private sectors in the state is the least preferred, but there is a changing trend. We find that a lot of our young boys and girls are now doing a reverse migration back to the state to get gainful employment and to stay with the family. What is the scene of a job availability in the state? Government job, including the peons and the drivers, it does not even make up to 1 lakh. Government jobs are less than 1 lakh. Now, people preference, the job availability outside the state is mostly available in the multinational companies which exist in the metro cities. Surprisingly, the private sectors in Manipur even though you might not believe it, do offer a lot of opportunities here. But how come the potential employees are not finding the potential employers? There is a big disconnect between the two. There is no connection. Employers in Manipur are looking for good employees. Employees are looking for good employers, but there's no connection between them. There is no bridge. So I think that is one of the reasons why it has been quite difficult to get good people in the private sector. But there are two reasons why youth keep on saying that Thabak Phangde Manipur da. One of the sole reason, my favorite one, is their unwillingness to work, number one. Number two, they don't have the right skills which will fit into the roles which is demanded by the industry. As I stated earlier, it is not possible to provide jobs to 10 lakh youth of Manipur. Employment outside the state, we face a lot of problem in terms of racism, crime against Northeast people, and there is a huge brain drain from the state. I still remember one of my first interaction with Dr. Dhabli in Classic Hotel when Classic Hotel was coming up. He made a simple statement which impacted my life and some of my decisions. He said, if we don't do it for Manipur, Niranjan, who will do it for Manipur? That echoed in my ears. And also the less contribution to the state's economy if our people keep on going out. And one of the leading editor of Shillong Times, Pratisha, he had stated once that if the brain drain keeps on happening out of the state from the northeastern region, then who will take care of our backyard? Many people also cannot move out of the state because of family reasons, financial issues, and lack of right skills. The current government is focusing a lot on energy production so that small micro enterprises can come up in the state. And there is a huge opportunity for sectors like handloom, handicrafts, food processing, construction, plumbing, painting, agriculture, hospitality, and so many other SMEs which would emerge in Manipur. Many people complain that why do I get less salary in the private sector? Government pays us better. But we have to remind those people that private sector do not mind paying very good salary for skilled employees because we are looking for skilled people. If somebody is not skilled and he is semi-skilled, obviously his salary will go down a bit. And if he is completely unskilled, then obviously he has to get lesser salary. So if one thinks that one has the right quality and the right talent, I don't think he can get the best salary in the industry. What is the importance of skill development programs? It solves social unrest indirectly because it solves the issues of unemployment, supply of skilled workers to the SMEs. I'll take this opportunity to say an example of the conference that I attended 2 days ago in Shillong. The General Council of Germany said, Germany became a developed country because of the small micro enterprises, because of the blue-collared people, not because of the white-collar people. And that's why in my country, you can see world-class organizations like BMW and Volkswagen. Skill development, again, contributes to the developments of the state's economy, increase in the salary of private sector employees if he's very skilled, and then obviously the number of entrepreneurs in the state. What we would like the government to do, I think there needs to be a push from the private sector, academia, industries, and partners to make the government do a lot for skill development, because that has been the stress of Narendra Modi government ever since he has come to power. We want massive awareness campaign on skill development. Our boys and girls fail to understand what is the actual benefit of skill development. We need to attract these young people by conducting job melas at the block level, at the district level, at the Gram Panchayat level. And this has to be supported by the Rural Development Ministry. funding and sponsorship for the skilling of urban and rural poor youth. I must appreciate our current skill minister and labor minister, Mr. I. Hemochandra Singh, because recently he has stressed on one thing which really impressed us. He says that now we should strive for local employment within the state, not outside the state, number one. Number two, he says that our training providers here in Manipur could be as per the international standards. Why do we doubt so much in our capacity? Why do we reach out to Delhi NCR for training our boys and girls? He says that there are a lot of good training providers here in the state, and my fellow VTPs are all testimony to this, that many of you are able to conduct the same kind of training that training providers in Delhi NCR are doing. So Minister has very clearly stated that he wants to do capacity building for the local training providers. We are coming up with a new concept called Manipur Migration Support Center, of which I'll speak a little later. If my speaking on skill development has not convinced you much, then why not let's hear it from our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Video please.
देश को विकास की ओर आगे बढ़ाना है तो स्किल डेवलपमेंट ये हमारा मिशन है।
ट्वेंटी के समय आते आते दुनिया में इतनी बड़ी मात्रा में वर्कफोर्स की जरूरत पड़ने वाली है, उनके यहां सब बूढ़े 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 लोग होंगे। दुनिया के पास काम करने वाले लोग नहीं होंगे। हम पूरी दुनिया को वर्कफोर्स सप्लाई कर पाएंगे। जिस देश के पास ये सामर्थ्य हो, वो देश कई नई ऊंचाइयों को पार कर सकता है, और उसको पार करने के लिए हमने एक बीड़ा उठाया है, स्किल डेवलपमेंट। हमारे नौजवानों में उसके हाथ में हुनर हो, काम करने का अवसर हो, तो एक आधुनिक हिंदुस्तान खड़ा करने की उसमें ताकत होती है। और इसलिए स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे हमने बल दिया है। नई सरकार बनने के बाद स्किल डेवलपमेंट के लिए अलग मिनिस्ट्री बना दी गई है। India's space program is a perfect example of scale, speed, and skill. If we apply ourselves, we can meet the aspirations of our people. Let us take inspiration from today's mission. Dedicate ourselves to accelerate our nation's progress. I am confident we can. मैं बहुत विश्वास के साथ कहता हूं, यह देश बहुत तेज गति से आगे बढ़ने वाला है। इन नौजवानों के सामर्थ्य से आगे बढ़ने वाला है। जिस देश का नौजवान अपने सामर्थ्य से अपना भविष्य बनाने के लिए कृत संकल्प हो, उस देश को पीछे मुड़ करके देखने की आवश्यकता नहीं।
That was Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in Madison Square speaking on the importance of skill development and how India wants to become a supplier of skilled workforce, not only to Asia but to the rest of the world. Now, after having spoken about skill training and things surrounding it, let me just give you a brief introduction about our organization. JCRE Skill Solutions is an initiative by Big Concept Foundation Private Limited. We are a leading skill training provider registered under the Ministry of Labor and Employment. Till date, we have completed training more than 1,500 trainees in different sectors. I'm proud also to once again state that JCRA Skill Solution is the first National Skill Development Corporation certified partner in Manipur and the second to do so in the entire Northeast. Let me also take this moment that when we achieved to be the first certified partner of NSDC, it was hard work, to be very honest. And many of my team players know that how hard in such a hard way we achieved this certification. We changed our whole business plan almost 6-7 times before we were agreed on this particular project. We have a mission, and we are completely on a mission mode, and we keep on talking about this every day, that our mission is to train, skill, and empower 1 lakh youth of Manipur by 2023. We have a vision, and that vision is to enhance the employability of youth of Manipur through quality training of international standards. These are our values. We care for our trainees as well as for our staff. We believe that we are a continuously learning organization, and we encourage our trainees to do that. We reward achievements, but the last two are my favorite. We believe in sharing with our community, sharing our knowledge with others, and we believe in collaborations to work with other partners for the better good of society. Last but not the least, my favorite one is the service. I feel personally that service is our success. So success really comes on the way for us. We strive for service. This is the DNA of our organization. It runs in us. We believe in good work, good karma. We believe in ethical practices, dharma kaidava. And we want to build relationships through love with our partners, with our collaborators. And we feel that truth will stand the test of time, satyameva jayate. And we also do not believe in non-violence. Non-violence about not fighting with our fellow people, but non-violence to the resources. We don't want to waste paper. We don't want to waste the electricity in our offices. Last but not the least, we live for seva, which is service. We are accredited to NSDC, VTP, STAR, our international partner is Australian Vocational Training and Employment Group. We are also a partner of Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati. Manipur Urban Development Agency has authorized us to deliver trainings in travel and tourism and tailoring, and a partner of NELIT. Sigi akoina tauzariba point manga sida ai point ani kitta matam lauzaraga kitang haizage ko. Yan hanbada skill training de koi khange, but upskilling se kari oidoi no ba. Akoi gida hujik check suba mi ma hairasi ko. Adada nahan akoi gi nokpa theda lakataba angang amakhak na akoi ingon da hangi ba wahai ama leba. Dada aigi father se check sui. Ado magi di certification yagadra, magi di skill training yagadra haeva. So the answer to that boy's query is exactly this RPL. RPL haibadi recognition of prior learning haiba. Mana hanadagi tamjarakpa ahanduna chahi manga dagi ma check sujaraga haijarakpa poto. Adubu akoigi certification process da mabu magi mahidubu akoina recognize to biba. Ada akoigi program se da point tra manga laiba matam sida ahan sida check tawdoi neba. Pabung di hanadagi check subirakpani na point 1 daina point 10 bhaus di pabung is di loinma clear oire. Ado point manga awat pase sidi pabung tam daba yadre. Ada mana hanganeba. Ibung aduna kari no. ꯆꯦꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯣꯏꯟ ꯃꯉꯥ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯁꯦꯐꯇꯤ at workplace, like gear kamaina use tawni, machines kamaina use tawni, adugumba mayamda aduga first day in gidudi akoina recognize tawbanina matam manghandana point manga do kitang tambiraga magi su matam mangdaba training provider agoi gisu matam mangdaba aduga ma certified tawibane. So it's called RPL, and this one we are going to do for the first time with the electricity department. Electricity department ki linesmen phaniam thabak tawrga lei haiba huje adugi moi gi yan hanba recognition of prior learnings akhoi pilot test oina akhoi pura India sida Manipur da yan hana Manipur da sigi se pangthok toriba adugi matangda entrepreneurship an haire mayamna su dum khangbi dana leiraba pot kharani aduda akoina initiative ama hojai Imphal Business Incubation Center an Manipur da di natraga India gi atopa jaga Bangalore Delhi da entrepreneurship se like su heiba company ki thabak tokthok matungda aigi business ama tongana haudoki haibagi mawongda ngakta oina punai akoina concept se kitang change amuk tokthokpa akoina khalleba makhada leiriba pyramid ki makhada leiriba angang mayam se am help darkar tai larik haitraga su certificates pairam draga su moida anyam na khoigi honaningba business taga yam succeed tongning mi yaweba aduda akoina IBIC se hangtokjabani Imphal Business Incubation Center se na akoi huji angang ani khak akoi incubate tawjari moisi moina idea am puthore aina paisa khara invest tau haiba kitang di tau sida noi paisa do lupa lising manga do orsu kitang di invest tau da cycle makta leibo orsu moi gi business concept sina cycle the food delivery tau ge haiba in their areas aduda cycle layo yadeba cycle do mayam bagi kanano ongi use tau nei are adagi aina food delivery tau bagi noi gi food warmers leitabra hai adu su moina improvise torga bag ama puthore paisa kaim te invest tawdana moigi brand maming se delivery boy na kauri aduga akoina moida mateng pangi hairiba angang ani se Delhi University gi college dropouts ni ko. Corporate training, we are the first organization to provide corporate training in Manipur. Some of our clients in Manipur have been Sija Hospital, Acme Hospital, Sanmati Traders, adagi network services, etc. Okay, we feel that there is a huge opportunity for workplace skills training. Akoigi koi CM na so haibiri like akoigi work culture leite na Manipur da. Workplace ta senior am da kamaina wari sanani, kamaina lep kani, kari dress set kani, leave loge haiba da kamain logani, khot kani haiba ki basic etiquettes mein am se harakta badagi akoina workplace skills ama introduce tawbani, and I think there is a huge market for that, and we will continue doing that. For the first time ngasai ki pyramid ki tuda akoina haijabada akoina job portal ama launch tauze, and today is probably the official day also. It is called thabakjobs.com, thabak for Manipuri people to know and jobs for the people who know English. Aduga akoigi JCR Skill Solutions ki placement wing amani. So let me just take you through the site. Please, homepage. This is our home page. You can register here as an employer if you are looking for skilled workforce and talent. And you can register here as a job seeker, but let us first get into the employer part. So you have things like free trial and premium, etc. We have to refine this site over a period of time. And most of the jobs, you can look in this site. And interestingly, you will find people looking for security guards, people looking for housemaids, people looking for nurses, etc. You will find on this site. And again, you can register as a job seeker. Thabak thibiba mi oraga di sida changbi raga. Aduga akoi gi plan na akoi internet cafes mein am siga akoi ga collaborations lairaga. Moigi security guard oige na laksadoi dudi moi di internet haitabri na. We will tie up with the internet cafes, and they will help out in registering. So it'll become like that one-point connections between the employers and the employees. So you can find each other through this website. Thank you. Sir, we are starting a new concept, and I hope we find appreciation from your end as well as from the government of Manipur. A lot of us has gone to Delhi, Bangalore to study, either as a students, and also sometime we have gone there to work in corporates and so many other retail stores